The coastal mountain range is a mountain range in northwestern Syria running north-south, parallel to the coastal plain. The mountains have an average width of 32 kilometers, and their average peak elevation is just over 1,200 meters, with the highest peak, Nabi Yunis, reaching 1,562 meters east of Latakia. In the north, the average height declines to 900 meters, and to 600 meters in the south. Name: classically, this range was known as the Barguilis, a name mentioned by Pliny the Elder. The Greek Barguilis had its roots in the name of an ancient city-kingdom called Barga, most probably located in the vicinity of the mountains. It was a city of the Eblate Empire in the 3rd millennium BC, and then a vassal kingdom of the Hittites, who named the mountain range after Barga. Under the Hashashians were known as the Jabal Bara. They are also sometimes known as the Nusayriya Mountains or the Alawiyan Mountains. Both of these names refer to the Alawi ethno-religious group, which has traditionally lived there, though the former term is based on an antiquated label for the community that is now considered insulting. Geography: the western slopes catch moisture-laden winds from the Mediterranean Sea and thus more fertile and more heavily populated than the eastern slopes. The Orints River flows north alongside the range on its eastern verge in the Garb Valley, a 64 kilometers longitudinal trench, and then around the northern edge of the range to flow into the Mediterranean. South of Masyaf there is a large northeast-southwest strike-slip fault which separates an Nusayriya mountain from the coastal Lebanon Mountains and the anti-Lebanon Mountains of Lebanon, in a feature known as the Homs Gap. Between 1920 and 1936, the mountains formed parts of the eastern border of the Alawite state within the French Mandate for Syria and the Lebanon.